these are 18 and the offset is very aggressive. So he used to touch the back and the front. So we had to open up the housings more and refinish. So when it's on riding height, you can turn the wheels and nothing touches, nothing rubs. This is completely slammed to the ground. You can't go any lower than that because the front, you will actually touch the headlights, and I can't grind the headlights because that will put condensation inside. So that's how low she's going to be. Tomorrow we are taking all the pieces out. The car is going to get in primer, and that's it, ready for paint. The RX-7 is moving along pretty good. The body kit, white body. We have a little bit of body work to do over there on the rocker. The bumper, we cut the bump in the middle, shrank the bumper 3.5 inches. This is a Duraflex body kit. Didn't fit the car at all. The gaps were horrendous, so we did a lot of work to make this thing work. As you guys can see, the lines are starting to get nice and sharp, all flush. Still got some fine tuning to do on the gaps. The quarter panels, this right here used to be like dipped, and I mean it was so weak that you could push it in with your fingers, so we had to do refiberglass. The gas door was far from fitting. Yeah, white body RX-7 FD, almost done. And then we have a new patient here, got rear-ended. This one waiting on okay from the customer so we can go. This came from Japan, needs a full tune-up, and the paint work needs some TLC. Here we have the 2GR MR2 V6 3.5 liter. It's running Lake ECU, Fury, and it's the first one in the world with stage 3 cams that actually is running. The VVTi is running, it's ready to go on the dyno. Friday we should be making some sauce with this thing. The Nissan 240, it's sold. We built that car almost a year ago. She is sold. I'll show you guys how this thing sounds. We have two SEMA cars, the RX-7 and Dodge 71 Challenger sitting on a Viper frame with a Viper engine.